In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notes using Google Keep, specifically focusing on changing the appearance of your text to fit your personal style. Whether you're organizing school notes, project ideas, or just jotting down your thoughts, having a customized look can make your note-taking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Without further ado, let's get started on making your Google Keep notes pop with a little bit of font customization. To begin, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Keep. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, creating checklists, and setting reminders all in one convenient location. It's incredibly user-friendly, providing a seamless experience whether you're accessing it from a computer or your mobile device. Once you're on the Google Keep homepage, you'll notice its clean interface, characterized by its simplicity and accessibility, which is perfect for focusing on the task at hand. One thing to note is that Google Keep, in its current form, does not offer an internal feature for changing fonts. This might seem a bit limiting, especially if you're looking to add a personal touch to your notes. But don't worry, I've got a workaround that's quick, simple, and effective. To change the font of your text in Google Keep, we'll make use of a web service called LingoJam. So open a new tab in your browser and go to lingojam.com. This site is a versatile tool that allows you to generate text in a variety of fonts and styles. Once you're there, you'll see a text box where you can type your message and instantly view it in a plethora of different styles in the second box below. Browse through the fonts provided by LingoJam until you find one that suits your taste. It's all about picking a style that resonates with you, whether it's something fun, professional, or simply unique. Once you've made your choice, highlight the text in the style you've selected and copy it to your clipboard. The next step is to return to your Google Keep tab. Find the note where you want to insert the custom text. Click into your note and simply paste the text from your clipboard. You'll see that the style from LingoJam is preserved, and now your Google Keep note features a custom font. This small change can make your notes not only more visually appealing, but also make them stand out, which can be incredibly helpful when scanning through your notes quickly. And there you have it. You've customized your Google Keep notes with a new font, adding a personal touch to your digital note-taking. Just like that, you're done. This easy trick can help make your notes more expressive and tailored to your personal style without any complex software or advanced skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Google Keep experience. Until next time, keep organizing and creating with flair.